Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand. This is the WYBOT Robotic Pool Cleaner M1 Ultra, powered by the sun. It's got a solar panel. The WYBOT M1 Ultra has the latest in technology for a solar panel that's going to recharge your robot vacuum cleaner, so you don't have to take it out of the pool to charge it. The WYBOT M1 Ultra is extremely powerful in the vacuuming and cleaning of your pool. It's got trip motors. It cleans so fast. It's so fast, it just zooms across the bottom of your pool in no time as it's cleaning and suctioning your dirt up so quickly. It is so smart, it's connected to the internet through Wi-Fi at all times. That means you can turn it on with the app at any time, or you can set up a time cleaning with the Smart app. And besides the Wi-Fi connection, it also will connect with Bluetooth. Whether cloudy weather or sunny, the solar panel cell will get that sun to recharge the battery, and that battery has 2 hours of runtime. It'll create an intelligent cleaning path plan, so the M1 Ultra will figure out the most optimal cleaning path, so it won't waste the battery repeating areas. On the app, you tell it the shape and size of your pool, and it will figure out a multi-sensor fusion algorithm to clean the bottom of your pool. The WYBOT M1 Ultra is excellent at wall climbing. It has powerful treads on the tractor-like wheels on the bottom that will propel it right up a wall, while the suction power sucks up all the dirt on the wall, including algae. It scrubs the side of the wall while it's climbing up the wall. So what it scrubs off, it then sucks up into the filter basket. So every time it's vacuuming the pool, it's also cleaning the surfaces of your pool and pool walls. And when it gets to the top of the pool wall, it gets to the water line and then scrubs that as well. The water line often has discoloration, just like a bathtub ring. Pool water can create a pool ring. The top scrubbers of the WYBOT M1 Ultra are designed to clean that water line. And the app even has a setting just to dock it to the water line with the app, so it'll just clean your water line. And I thought it was really interesting to control the app with the toggle on the app. It's a toggle switch. I've never seen a toggle switch on an app before, but just by moving your finger around, you can decide what direction you want your WYBOT to turn and to clean. You can even have your WYBOT turn in donuts, which is what I'm showing you right now. Look at it going around in circles. That's just me controlling the app with my finger on the phone. I want to show you how powerful this vacuum is. I had put a whole bunch of dirt right on this stair, and I manually directed it to go to that stair and clean up that mess with the app. The suction power is so strong it got up all the sand that I'd put on that stair going through the vacuum. It will travel 36 feet in a minute. The WYBOT M1 Ultra is so fast and amazing at its cleaning. In no time at all, you're going to have a clean pool at that 36 feet a minute speed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's off to the races, so you and your family can get in that pool faster. That'll be crystal clean. And if you can't wait, feel free to join it while it's cleaning. And don't worry, the WYBOT M1 Ultra won't hurt your kids or pets. It has a sensor, and it's not going to hurt their toes as it's cleaning around them. The cord is almost 14 feet long, which means your pool depth can be up to 14 feet. Most pools' deep ends are about 9 to 10 to 12 feet, so it's plenty. So it goes to a water depth of most all pools made, even for diving pools. The cord is stored underneath the solar panel. Here I am unwrapping the cord and putting back the casing. And to pick it up and put it in your pool, it weighs under 30 pounds. I put the solar panel in my pool first, then I put the rest of the WYBOT robot pool vacuum into the pool, and it sunk down and then started working. The solar panel floats on top as it captures the sunshine and recharges as it's working. The motor power is 100 watts. It's built to last. The brushes on it are a dual PVC roller brush. The rubber on them is very thick, made to last, and very powerful for scrubbing. It works on all pool surfaces. My pool surface is plaster with tiles on the top. The WYBOT M1 Ultra will clean any pool surface you have. It captures all dirts and debris. Whether they're leaves on the bottom of your pool, those always seem to float down to the bottom and get waterlogged down there. It's going to find those leaves and capture them. It also will suck up any rocks or sand, any kind of dirt you have, and scrub away that algae and suck it up. In one charge, it can reach 2,100 square feet of cleaning coverage at about a 4,000 gallon an hour flow rate as it runs for up to 2 hours on one charge. That is long cleaning power. Besides the WYBOT M1 Ultra's great suction power and cleaning power, the app is really amazing on it. I've never seen an app like this. The app was really easy to download. The WYBOT M1 Ultra arrived to my door. So I opened the top of the box, I looked in, and this is how it was packaged. I started taking out the layers and layers of packaging material. I wanted to check out how careful they were at packaging because I don't want, and you don't want, a product that got damaged during shipping. Every piece was also separately wrapped so it wouldn't get scratched while it was being shipped. So I removed all the plastic wrapping. Then I put the solar panel on the left side on my counter and then the robot vacuum side on the right side of my counter. The design of the solar panel and the robot was really beautiful. The logo's nice. And the instructions were right on top, which was great. So I could thumb through that. They were easy to read. And there's a lot of information in it that I really wanted to know before I were to use it. Here's an overview of what the solar panel looks like. The gray material on top is what's going to absorb the sun. It's very durable. And then in the front are the controls. Here is a side of the WYBOT robot pool cleaner. You can see how strong the rubber is on the wheels. It's made of very durable, thick rubber. The brush on the front has pliable rubber, and the wheels are more sturdy rubber. Now I'm rubbing my hands over the solar panel so you get a sense of how strong that is. I'm scratching it. It's not making any marks. It's very durable. This is a charger it comes with. One end of the charger is a rectangle with the silver inserts inside of it. This is magnetic. This is going to hook up to your robot, and because it's magnetic means it's always going to fit in just right automatically as you get it close to it. This is the electrical transformer, and this is the very long cord, and with the transformer in my hand, you can see me putting it into a 110 volt normal household outlet. It's a 2-prong plug. I want to show you where the hose is. When you flip over your solar panel, you can open the back up with your thumbs. You just click that open, and inside is the cord. That cord is stored so nicely when you receive it. That's a 14-foot cord. It'll go to pools with a depth of up to 14 feet. Now that's amazing, and it packs in there so neatly. I unpacked it so you can see. It's thick to the touch, so it's durable. It's not going to bend and break. On the front of the WYBOT is a button you press to get out the filter basket. This is what it looks like, brand new, never been used. It's clean. It's kind of a hexagon shape. And inside is a black plastic tab that opens up as the vacuum sucks the dirt and debris, so the leaves and the dirt and the pebbles can go into your filter basket. It's a trap door though. It can't go back out. It moves open by the suction of the motor. And after cleaning my pool, I put my whole WYBOT on my grass by my hose. I pressed open the top of it to get the filter container out, and I'm just dumping it in the plants. And then with a hose, I clean it out. You just spray it out. The design is very easy to clean, and then you just snap it back in your WYBOT. The cleaning of the filter basket only takes 30 seconds. So after charging it 3.5 hours, you just toss it in your pool. So to turn it on, I just press a button right on top of it. It turns green, and any other time you want to charge it, it will automatically charge with that solar panel, or you always have the option of using the electrical cord and the transformer to charge it with any electrical outlet, because this WYBOT has 2 ways of charging. The WYBOT M1 Ultra is a great companion for anybody's pool and themselves, so they don't have to clean it. The WYBOT M1 Ultra is a great pool tool, and on the app you can even call Rover home. You just tell it to come to the surface and direct it back to you. So when you want it to surface, you just press your finger and pull it up, and in the end your pool is crystal clear. Look at how pretty my pool is. What a joyous moment to have this gorgeous pool ready to go for me and my friends and family to swim in. What a moment. It's pool time, and your pool is crystal clean, ready to use. And what a lot of time and money you save with the WYBOT M1 Ultra, because you want more time for you and your friends to be in that pool, not you cleaning it. Click the link below to get your WYBOT robotic pool cleaner. that's solar paneled. This is the M1 model. It's fantastic. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for a really clean pool with WYBOT. Woo!